Good afternoon. We're here at 1801 South Grove Street in Denver, Colorado. Today's date is January 7th, 2026 at approximately 4:52 p.m. Today we are performing a sewer scope. The company performing this sewer scope is Daniel Sewer 77. We are located here at the Main City Tap Connection, which is approximately 69 feet and 11 inches from these cleanouts in the backyard. Let's get started. As you can see, there's your Main City Tap. You have a good transition. This line consists of SDR plastic, which is in good working condition. Let's head back towards the house. This is your transition from SDR plastic to cast iron. You have a good transition there. As you can see, it all looks good.